Hello traders, welcome back to another video in Trading Life Masters. This is Zi Cheng right here, one of the lecturers in Trading.life. In this video, I'm going to explain about Fibonacci retracement. Before we start, I hope you can first press the like button, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Before knowing what levels to use in the Fibonacci retracement, you first have to know where to plot the Fibonacci. So if you are using TradingView, you can head over to the left side. Left side, you will see you have a number of tools, but we are not going to use the rest of them. We are only going to focus on the Fibonacci. So where to get the Fibonacci? It is the third tool over here. If you point at it, it will say Fib retracement. So you can press this arrow here. It's the first one. Of course, you can bookmark it. Once you bookmark it, you can see it over here. So it's like a shortcut. So once you have bookmarked it, you can see it. Once you press it, you can draw it. This is what you will see, the Fibonacci. But this is my layout. If you want to see the defaults, let me reset it. You can go over to template, apply defaults. So this is the exact Fibonacci you will see once you plot it on your TradingView without any modifications. In what occasion do we use the Fibonacci retracement? So for example, if we have an up move and if it's an uptrend, so what do we do is that we'll plot the Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. So after plotting the Fibonacci, the best zones or the golden zones to look for buys is actually the 50% and the 61.8%. These two zones are actually the golden zones where most people take their reversals or continuation from that. So what we can do is we can wait for price to come back down either to this or these levels along with proper price action. You cannot just rely on Fibonacci only. Then you look for retracement and you take the reversal to the upside and continue to the trend to the upside if it's an uptrend. So how do we add the Fibonacci into the charts? So I'm going to draw from this low to this high. And now, since you remember that I say I only use the 50% and also the 61.8%, which is the golden zone. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the rest and only leaving the 50% and the 61.8%. So this is how my Fibonacci will look like. Have a look. Look at how price pushed up and came back down, reacted very well at the 61.8% and gave a push up. So whoever took a buy here, it was a very good buy. Now, if I want to look for buys again, I would like to wait for price to come back down to the golden zone, and of course with proper price action. I have to repeat this multiple times to ensure that no one uses the Fibonacci retracement only to take entries. So I'll wait for some proper price action here, then I look for buys to the upside. Let's have a look at sell example. So imagine we are right here and price is trending down. It's a downtrend and we want to look for sells, but you don't know where to look for sells. This is when you can pull a Fibonacci from this high to this low. And you wait for price to retrace back to the 50% level or the 61. So what happened right here? A wick came to touch the 50% and push it lower. So you can look for sells in this area to the lower side. So this is how you will plot it for a sell or a downtrend. Here comes to an end of this video. I hope you have now understood Fibonacci retracement, but this is just a very basic use of it. Remember to add your own price action confirmations before entry. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Lastly, if you are interested to join my live streams, you may head on to Trading.life to join me there. Thanks for watching till the end and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and trade safe.